Hi, I went outside for a few minutes and I got some mosquito bites. There's one there and there's one over there, and they itch like big time. And I have something for that. I thought it's so easy, but a lot of people don't realize that the lavender that they have is a natural antihistamine. I mean, think Benadryl lavender, our lavender, not other lavender. This is real lavender. Anyway, so this is what I do. I have that mosquito bite, and I'm going to put a drop there. There's two drops. So I'm going to take one of those and put those over there on that. And that's all you do. Just put it, just pour it on. That's it. I mean, how easy. Oh, I think I got another one over there. Anyway, how easy is that? You just pour a drop, done. And the itching goes away immediately. And also the swelling's going to go down in a few minutes. So I love this stuff. So you most likely have lavender, and I bet you don't know that it's a natural antihistamine. You can also use it for, like, if you have a congestion that is like sinus congestion, take a drop and, put a couple of drops on your finger, and then put that on your sinuses, and you'll feel relief there. And of course, you can put it in water and drink it also. Again, you know how you know? Because it says supplement facts right there. All right, I just wanted you to know that if you have lavender, then you have a natural antihistamine, and you have something for bug bites and mosquito bites. Have a good day, and put the TerraShield on beforehand, which I didn't do. TerraShield is the spray, the insect spray. But put that on before you go out, and you don't even have to worry about the bites. Anyway, have a great day. I'm getting ready for my garage sale next week, or my yard sale next week. So I'm working, and I've got my Motivate on. Bye-bye.